Yeah.
What the hell are you doing?
What you mean I'm doing? What the hell is you doing? Girl, you stupid. What you say? Stupid. Yeah.
Z?
Yeah. Do it. Take it off for her.
Why do you have my wig? And why do you
leave,
have
please?
it on?
What?
Are you gay? You always be playing so much, but I love you dearly.
Even though times get rough, it ain't the same without you, Q.
Together we make things tough.
But it's Z and Q, baby.
I love you, baby. I love you so much, Z.
I love you so much, baby. I love you so much, Q. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Y'all already know this your boy Hot Boy Zell from the Z&Q Chronicles, and today I'm back with another banger. So today I'm finna be acting ratchet. What the fuck? Towards my girl Q to see how she react to this video. As y'all can see, I'm finna be wearing her wig and stuff. I don't know how she gonna react to this video, but make sure you guys stay tuned to this video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to this video. This your boy Hot Boy Zell. I'll be back.
One eternity later.
Yeah, bitch, you stupid. Yeah. You said what? Bitch, you hella stupid. Yeah. Shit, you stupid as hell.
Hello?
Hold on, I'll call you back. This girl got here. Alright, hold on. Hello?
Wait a minute. Hold on. Let me just make sure.
What the hell is you laughing at? Hello?
Oh!
What the hell is you laughing at?
What the hell are you doing?
What you mean I'm doing? What the hell is you doing?
What do you mean what I'm laughing? Do you see yourself?
Yes. I got a wig on and.
Okay, what's the reason?
What you mean what's the reason? What is you doing here?
No, what is I'm doing here? No, this is my house.
Hello? Girl, you stupid. What'd you say? Yeah, you said you going out tonight? You gonna get me? Yeah.
Z.
Yeah, you stupid. Yeah.
Z.
Let me call you back. This girl tripping. Let me call you back.
Oh my god.
What?
Are you gay?
What are you talking about?
Can you take this shit off? Like, what are you doing?
What is you doing? Take it off for her.
Why do you have my wig? And why do you have it on?
Can you leave, please?
No!
Can you leave?
I just got home. Like, what are you talking about? What are you doing? What is the purpose?
Hello?
Oh my god.
Yeah, so you say you'll come get me at 8 o'clock? Alright, yeah, I'll be ready. This girl Q, some girl named Q be tripping right now. Yeah. You talking about girl with the gray shorts on?
Seriously, what the fuck are you doing?
Stop playing.
Blue G jacket? Yeah, that's her.
Stop. Bro, what it...
Girl, she just pulled my hair off. I know she did not pull my hair off. Yeah, she pulled my hair off. Alright, let me call you back. If it be on now. Alright, let me call you back.
Are you on my phone?
I know.
See, what the hell are you doing?
I know damn well you did not pull my hair off.
See, stop!
put my hair off again? Huh?
What that? Let me see how you fighting. Z. Okay, stop. I'm not playing no more. Why are you doing this?
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Z, what? Z, stop. You want to fight me? Z.
How you put my hair off again?
What are you doing? It's not even your hair. It's mine. Give me my wig. What do you mean pull your hair off?
Give me my hair back.
This is not your hair.
Give me my hair back.
Give me the receipts that you paid for it.
Alright.
Why do you have this on?
Give me this hair.
And then you was on my phone. Were you talking to my friends?
What are you talking about?
Who did you call on my phone?
Can you back up?
You were on my phone. Who were you talking to, my friends? Z, stop. Oh my God.
Hello?
I swear, I'm through.
Where you at?
Move. Weirdo.
Alright,
Somebody come get your drink wine.
Yeah. So you can't give me at 8 o'clock, right? Alright. I'll be ready. Yeah.
1 hour later.
Alright, here I come. It's 7:30, right? Alright, you down the street? Alright, here I come.
Get off my phone, bro. Who are you talking to? Z. Z. What the hell are you? Z, what the hell are you doing?
Nice. It's a prank, you dumb idiot!
Got him. Got him.
The hell are you doing? It's a prank, idiot!
I can't breathe.
The hell are you doing? This girl be tripping.
I think I smoked too much. I can't breathe.
Guys, this girl Q be tripping. I'm trying to tell her it's a prank.
Oh, hell no!
Well, guys, y'all already know this your boy Hot Boy Zuff from the Z and Q Chronicles.
This your girl from the Z and Q Chronicles. And he looked a mess.
And we will see you guys in the next video. Peace.
I love you, baby. I love you so much, Z.
I love you so much, baby. I love you so much, Q.